Hello, madam. My name is Rachel Vadani. I'm from Ipo branch. Today, I'm going to present about art and music in early childhood for my project 2. For the introduction, art and music is really important in early childhood educational development, fostering creativity, self-expression, and motor skills. Activities like a crafting instrument and playing rhythms help children explore imagination, think creatively, and solve problems. These experiences also support cognitive growth and social skills. As children learn to work together, follow instruction and follow instruction with peers. Additionally, handling materials and playing instrument refine fine motor and gross motor skills, preparing children for more strategic learning will fostering a love for their arts in their future learning process. For the next is the objective of lesson plan. The objective of this lesson plan is to promote creativity and motor skill development by guiding students to assemble and decorate DIY musical instruments such as a drum and tambourine and use them in group rhythm activities. These hands-on activity approach help their imagination throughout art and music and encouraging children's collaborative and build fine motor and critical thinking skill. As a student, explore media and follow step by step instruction by engaging with sound, rhythm, and design. Children develop their aesthetic sense and enhance their ability to express ideas creatively. For the next is material explanation. The material I use uh, for this project is empty can, paper plate, beans, bell, glue, and marker and decorative item like a sticker, colorful tape. These resources allow students to craft their own musical instrument, combining aesthetic creativity and with hands-on activity. Arts is interactive as a student design and decorate their own drum and tambourine will music come into play as they use their creative to express rhythm and sound. This seamless blend of art and music, nurturing creativity and science motor skill and provide an engaging platform for self-expression and teamwork. For the next part is this is my DIY charm and this is my DIY tambourine. This is all example. For the next part is developmental focus. This lesson plan address multiple developmental area. For example, physically is enhance fine motor skill, hands-on crafting, and instrument multiplication. For the next, cognitively is encourage critical thinking and problem solving as students follow instruction and explore reason pattern. For the next is social emotional. Social emotionally, the collaborative group activity promote teamwork, communication, and sense of acclimatization. For the next is creative, express the nurture, imagination, aesthetic appreciation. Will the rhythmic exercise build focus and coordination, fostering well-rounded development in young learning. For the next part is challenges and solution. As a teacher, I challenge me having difficult as students they have difficulty to follow the instruction or staying focused during the hands-on nature activities. So as a teacher I will like to address their providing clear and simple instruction and offering plating of on and one support to ensure all students understand the step. To maintain engagement, I will keep the pace dynamic, use interactive props, and offer positive reinforcement toward the lesson. If students have struggled with certain tasks, I would like to provide alternative solution or simplify the process while also encouraging teamwork and peer support to fostering a collaborative and enjoyable environment. For the last part is conclusion. The lesson effectively meet the developmental goal for preschool by combining crafting and musical making. Children explore their creativity while developing fine motor skill through the design and decorative instrument. The group rhythms activity also promote teamwork, communication, and gross motor coordination with most children showing increased confidence and better understanding of rhythms. The positive feedback from the children highlighting their high level of engagement and enjoyment, reinforcing the importance of interactive art and music in early child education for fostering creativity, collaboration, and lifelong learning. So, these are from me. Thank you.